Hello and welcome back to Gurully's channel. If you are our existing user, you might be aware about the update that there's something big coming up in our PTE dashboard. So in this video, we are excited to walk you through the latest updates to our PTE dashboard, designed to make your experience faster, smoother and more powerful than ever before. Whether you are an existing user or just getting started, this walkthrough will show you what's new, how to navigate the updated interface, and how to make the most of the new features that we have rolled out. So let's quickly dive in and explore what's new in Gurully's upgraded dashboard for PTE. So I'll quickly sign in to my account and let's see what new changes are updated. Alright, so first up, after login you'll notice that the interface looks and feels cleaner. It's even faster and more responsive than before, and it seems easier to use. You can also see we have introduced new feature like average mock score, which will give you the average score of the given mock test till now. So that seems pretty cool to me. Alright, so first up we'll explore the question wise practice. So we'll have to click on this practice button. And now as you can see, the interface has already changed on the outer side of the question wise practice itself. And now you can even search the questions by their title name. So let's say for example food. So you can see all the titles matching with the name will be appeared here. So this is quite an interesting feature. Next, my personal favorite is that you can even select the question difficulty level. So if you want to, let's say, practice for the hard questions only, so you just have to select the level and then click on hard. All the hard questions would be filtered out. So this is the type of feature that some students might be looking for. And now let's say we're gonna attempt one particular question, this one. Just look at the interface, how sharp and nice it looks now. So let's start the question. You can see the timer is ticking over here. Now apart from the different features, we also have the shuffling. Let's say if you are practicing and you want to shuffle the questions, you can simply click on shuffle and it will not go in an order, like basically the questions will be jumbled and shuffled. Alright, so let's attempt one question. We'll start with this one itself. Skip refresh. Are animals' innate navigational abilities too universal or restricted to their home environments? To test this premise, the researchers designed a set of wheels under a goldfish tank with a camera system to record and translate the fish movement into forward, backward and side-to-side direction for the wheels. Now I'm gonna generate the score. Graphic changes here also, which makes it attractive. And these are my bad pronounced words. And you can even see the meaning and definition of the word by clicking on it. Also the pronunciation.
Premise.
Alright. So yeah, you can also have this hidden feature over here from which you can directly jump to a different question type. You can also apply the filters from here, and you can even see the prediction questions. So these are the most important questions that you can apply the filter to. So far so good. I think this is pretty good interface. You can even check the community answers. Alright, so apart from that, there's one more feature that I would like to highlight in this video. So in the reading module, questions like reading, writing, fill in the blanks, reorder paragraphs and reading, fill in the blanks, we have introduced the explanations now. So let me just attempt one and I'll show you how that works. So in this part, let's say we are entering random words. And then I'm submitting it. Let's see what I got. So I got one correct answer out of 4 options. So now, earlier we only used to show the correct answers and the wrong answers. Now we have this explanation button that will give you the reasoning why our option was correct or incorrect. So this will really help students who are practicing on their own. However, I just want to let you know that this explanation feature will be only available to our Prime members. Alright, so now let's jump to the mock test and see what new features we have gotten there. So in the mock test also we have changed the graphics a bit, so now it's looking more appealing, and I've attempted one test, so I'll show you the major changes that we have made is in the analytics part. So if you are already an existing user, you might be knowing that this was the previous analytics page, but now we have completely revamped it and have given you the option to see your analytics in depth, basically for individual question types. Now you can see how you have scored and what's your scoring contribution towards the each parameters in content, oral fluency and pronunciation. So I think this is a helpful feature that will help you to understand in which particular question type you are lacking and which particular question type needs more practice. You can also click on this how to improve part, and then it will guide you towards our blogs, and which will provide you tips or tricks basically for preparation. So I think that's a helpful feature for the students who are managing on their own. Yeah, apart from that, in the sample answers also we have given this option as view statistics. So now from your answer, just like in the practice questions, as you can see what mistakes you have made, in the mock test also we have given that option to see which which were the words that you have badly pronounced or you can improve, and also you can see the suggestions given on the right hand side of this box. By the way, this feature goes with the sectional test as well. So let's say for example sectional test, and then we click on the answer. So as you can see, there are few statistics options over here as well, and in the analytics part similarly we have given the score breakdown. So you can select any particular question and then you will be able to see how you have scored in that particular question type. Okay, apart from that, let's explore what we have here. So in the settings part, we have given this new option to select your dictionary. So basically you can select your preferred English variant, whether you want to have it American English or British English. Now what this will do is, when you are let's say performing your writing tasks such as summarize written text or write essay or write email, so the system will check it as per the American dictionary if you have selected it American English, and if you have selected it British English, then the spelling, grammar and vocab would be checked by the British standards. So I think this is also a nice feature that has been introduced in our new dashboard. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked the new update and the features that we have launched into our PTE dashboard. So for me, the explanation feature in the reading module was the best. Comment yours, which one did you like the most, and let us know. Also, if you haven't signed up, please find a link in our description to sign up free, and then you can give one free mock test as well. So till then, take care guys. See you in our next video, and please like, share and subscribe the video.